Hello and welcome. Today I will take you into the world of two fascinating canaries plants at Smith Lake. My research is titled Divergence in Form and Strategy, a study on the predation ecology of Drosera spatulata and Drosera binata. Let's start with a gap in our knowledge. We know canaries plants catch insects, that's a basic fact, but what we don't fully understand is how natural selection precisely shapes closely related species sharing the same home, leading them to adopt different strategy to avoid friends competition. Understanding this process of niche partitioning is crucial for reviewing how biodiversity is generated and maintained, a fundamental principle of evolutionary biology. To fill this gap, I asked two very specific research questions. First, do these two sunrow species show quantifiable differences in their trapping tools, that is, the length and density of their sticky glandular hairs? Second, does this lead to a difference in the type of prey they capture? Specifically, does the fork-leaf sundew specialize in flying insects, while the spoon-leaf sundew has a broader diet? So, how did I find the answers? My study design was observational. At Smith Lake, I systematically marked 50 individuals of each species in their shared habitat. Then I collect two key types of data. First, using rulers and microphotographic, I directly measure their trimose length and density. Second, I photograph a relief to document the captured insects, then later analyze this image on my computer, categorizing each insect as flying and calling and count them. You might wonder how this methodology answers my questions. The logic is the precise morphological data directly shows me how their traps toolkits differed. The detailed prey analyzed reveals their actual hunting habitat. By comparing these two datasets, I can build a solid bridge demonstrating how morphological differences drive habitus divergences, which ultimately draws them to find their unique proportions and coexist in the same land. This is the power of my methodology. It powerfully links form, function, and evolutionary ecology. Also, we discover a crawling insect that can resist the sticky substance of the four-leaf sundew and walk freely on its surface. This phenomenon reveals an ongoing evolutionary arms race between plants and insects. It raised a brand new fascinating question: how did this insect evolve such resistance? This opens a direction for future research in coevolution. Through the research, I hope clearly show you how even small morphological difference can play a key role in evolution, driving species down different paths. Thank you for watching.